Will AI replace your job? Maybe, but these 7 careers are likely to stay in human hands for years to come. Some jobs require human judgment, creativity, and physical skills that AI still cannot fully replace. Every building is different. Electricians solve unique problems that require hands-on experience. Leaking pipes and damaged plumbing need skilled hands, not just smart software.
Patients need empathy, care, and quick decisions, qualities that AI cannot truly replace.
Great teachers inspire, guide, and motivate students in ways that go beyond information.
Every vehicle has different problems. Skilled mechanics combine experience with practical problem solving.
Understanding emotions and building trust are deeply human skills that technology cannot fully copy.
Successful entrepreneurs spot opportunities, take risks, and build relationships, skills that still depend on people.
AI will change how we work, but it won't replace every job. Which career do you think is safest? Subscribe to AI Venture Lab for more.